Hi everybody, this is Miss Episode Island again in front of you. This few days I was not able to make any videos. You saw it took me quite a lot of time, and people must be thinking that I have closed this channel or I'll not make any more videos. Things were quite difficult for me where Corona was raging the country, and I could hear so many deaths around me. Few of my students here also passed away, my near and dear ones. So I was going through a little bit of confusion and a fight with myself. So it was not a right time to be in front of the camera, because I was not in the right frame of mind, and I needed to take that space, take that time for myself in order to fix things that was going on inside my head, physically, mentally and emotionally. So I was not able to make videos. I'm sorry for that, and this is just a short video just to tell you that I am back, and you'll be glad to hear that I have won the war that was with myself, and the most important war that a person fights is with oneself. So I have won that, and I feel that I have regained my vigor, my wisdom, everything. I am back to my own self. So I was lost in the path somewhere. I'm very glad to be here today in front of you again, where I can tell you that I'm ready to make videos further in the future, and it will be a regular ones from now on. Anyway, as you can see, I have resumed my work. I am coming back to my workplace. I was sitting at home for a few days, and sitting at home really can affect your psyche. I know that depression that takes over, but yes, I was not so much depressed, or because I was always searching for something. I was seeking for the answers. I had lots of questions in my mind, and this particular lockdown, the time I really researched all the things which really clouded my mind for many years. So yes, it was a fruitful time for me in that sense. But there, all the time when the phone rang and people talked to me about this person passed away, and youngsters and young adults who were particularly doing good in their field and they had a bright future ahead, they were passing away. So it took me to think that hope and faith are really important in our lives, that actually gives us the push from behind. We can really go far. We can find ourselves somehow, and it works as an inspiration, a driving force, and we always strive to do better and better each day. So don't lose your hope, don't lose your faith. Have faith in yourself, most importantly, not on the stars, not on anything else other than yourself. So yes, the foremost faith that you should have is on yourself, and you should know that you, being one of the greatest creation of God, humankind, every one of us has the potential to break free. So don't think yourself in chains. You have that fight within you left. You can break free. All the chains can go out and do incredible things in the world. You can show people light. So yes, that was the motto for me to start this channel, to spread happiness, knowledge and wisdom. So anyway, I will again start posting few things, and I was thinking of coming with some short story series where I will share some stories with you all, which really motivated me in this particular lockdown period, and I really made me delve deep into my own consciousness, my own subconsciousness, and to understand the collective consciousness of all, to understand what is the core of my being, to get myself separated with my from my conscience, from my consciousness, and to really understand me in a different context, to understand me, not in related to the body, but related to the real self that I am. So anyway, that's a quite heavy talk, so I'll go into that sometime later. I'll break down the things. I'll talk to you about more and more how to have that self journey within yourself. So I'll come to that someday. So this is just a video to say I am back, I am here. Don't worry, I'll be at your side, so I'm not going anywhere. Guys, all my students who are out there watching me, who give me, you are my motivation, you are my love. Always remember, whoever I guided through in my life, I taught everybody, you all are very close to my heart, and I love you all. And all other viewers, I do love you too. Thank you so much.